The very first mod in making the transition from pavement to dirt on the Suzuki V-STROM is the Continental TKC80 tires.
So here I am with the 2015 Suzuki V-STROM 650 XT. We're going to take this thing and put some knobby tires on it. I think I punctured my rear tire, so it's going low, which kind of gives me an excuse to go ahead and throw these knobby tires on it. We're going to find out how well they commute, and we're going to find out just how well they do off-roading for my own personal. From what I've read, they do pretty well for kind of both, and I'm anxious to see if these tires improve my confidence level on the dirt and off-road. So let's get going.
Part of the original purchase of this particular V-STROM was a set of knobby tires to put on it, and I intended on doing that from the beginning, but it was suggested by someone like Arizona Desert Dog that I should first get used to the motorcycle with the stock tires, and so I did.
Got our old Bridgestone trail wings strapped on for the ride home, and we've got these slightly more aggressive knobby tires, and I am anxious to see exactly how well this thing does. Very anxious. Alright, first and foremost, you'll notice the bubbles got ripped off here. Oh, feels really weird. Okay, that actually felt very strange. Turn in is not as quick. Instantly noticeable. It does not just dive into the corner. No, it does not. Yeah. Woo! In no way, shape, or form is this the same motorcycle. Instantly transformed into a horrible handling machine compared to what it was. So, we just have to remember that and not act stupid. Traction will be reduced. We know that. Traction will be reduced. So, no high-speed corners. But I'm ever anxious to see how it reacts. Yeah, okay. On dirt. Yes, I am. Very anxious. The utilitarian 650 V-STROM with square luggage. Tons of storage. Easy to strap tires onto. Man, does it get much better than that? 2,189 miles. Woo, those tires feel freaking weird diving in hard. Way weird. It is beyond apparent how quickly we lost really snappy, speedy handling on this motorcycle. These tires are definitely not as curvy road worthy. I like that old Harley.
As soon as you put these tires on, you need to be prepared to put a little bit more effort into your steering inputs. It's not that it won't turn, it's just different. Very different. Feels very heavy, very vague. I am excited to get these tires into some dirt and possibly some mud and see just exactly how they handle in that situation. Look, got some tires on behind me. What? Oh yeah, really weird. We are cruising at 75 miles an hour, give or take. And so far, the Continental TKC80 tires, not a problem at all for this commuting situation. V-STROM. If you will keep it at around 60 or just below, you will definitely be getting 58 miles to the gallon with the Continental TKC80 tires. A little bit more knobby and aggressive. You can definitely feel them, but nothing horrible. Down to about 50. I came through here the other day at 60 with the street tires, but let's just not go too crazy. We'll leave it at about 50. Alright, well, 50, 55, not too shabby. You just have to anticipate the turn-in's not as quick, but they held their line just fine. So, nothing bad there. Duck down in here. Yeah, not too shabby. For a tire I could take off and go through that dirt. Hopefully. Hi, puppy. I bet the doggies is here. Hi, there's a doggy.
In the next episode of Ride with GNR, we take the V-STROM further into the dirt and explore the abilities of the TKC80 tires off-road. Some serious quad work here. Oh yeah, that is made for some serious quad work. Whoa. Woo, okay. That cranks my legs up.